In this video, I will show you how to make Islamic videos quickly and easily. First, what you need to do is open your browser and type Pixels. It is a website. You can download raw footages for the video. Click on the first link. Now in the search bar type nature and make sure that it is set to video. After that, scroll down and find the video. I will choose this one. Now go to the CapCut software, then go to templates. In the search bar type Islamic template in English. Scroll down and find the template. I will use this one. Select the clip. Now you just need to export it. That's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.